Hello everyone. We are of Group 2 from K2 would like to present about the impact of autonomous system on the current and future maritime industry. The industry selected is Naval base. The place that we select is the Royal Malaysia Navy base Lumut. Naval base is a securely held seaport used as a center of operation by the Navy. It is an industry where warships and naval ships are docked when they have no mission at sea or need to restock. Lumut has become the biggest base of Royal Malaysian Navy. The mission of the Lumut Royal Malaysian Navy is protecting the sovereignty and interests of maritime countries, while the vision is to be a credible and versatile force by 2020. There are so many services or products provided by the Royal Malaysian Navy base Lumut. The main services are deliver maritime material transport, provide ships and submarines with engineering and support services during fleet time, food and fuel supplying services also provided in this naval base. Other than the main services, there are several services like healthcare, accommodation, training, and naval housing schemes. In healthcare, high quality healthcare is essential in case of medical emergency. Lumut provide the best medical care to each and every officer and sailor. Next is the accommodation service. Officers and sailors are entitled to free accommodation. Lumut takes pride in providing outstanding living areas and conditions for officers and sailors. The next service would be the naval training establishments. Here, the officer and sailors undergo scientifically planned, rigorous physical and academic training that is aimed to gear you for life in the Navy. All the naval training establishments are equipped with training infrastructure. And the last service will be the special housing schemes. Officers and sailors have an opportunity to acquire a modern, excellent apartment of their own. Thank you.
I want to talk about the impact of autonomous system on the current maritime industry. I want to share with you about one advantage that the respondent get after using this autonomous system. Based on the response given, it is found that this autonomous system can facilitate work more efficiently, and work can be complete more quickly. However, there are some respondents who do not know this system, say that the method used is increasingly difficult. Okay, next I will show you at what level does the respondent company make profit after using the autonomous system. Okay, this graph shows that the highest number of votes was very good, or at level 7. A total of 11 respondents, or 36.7%, have voted very well at the level companies making a profit after using the autonomous system, while the lowest to get vote in very low, or at level 1. A total of 2 respondents, or 6.7%, have chosen very bad at the level of companies making a profit after using this autonomous system.
Next, the impact of autonomous system on the future maritime industry. First question, in your opinion, what will be the level of the autonomy for commercial marine operation in the future? So, let's take a look to the result of survey question that we get from 13 respondents. As we can see, from scale 5 to 7, about 89.7% of 25 respondent think that the level of autonomy for commercial marine operation can get a good result if all maritime industries start to use autonomous system and look at good attention for the future use. Although, efforts have been made by players in the marine industry to adopt to Industry 4.0, there is still slight hesitation by some to be up to speed with the high-tech work that is changing the industry's landscape.
What will be the benefit of using autonomous system in the naval-based industry? From the survey, as we can see that the respondents think that benefit of using autonomous system in the naval-based industry, it will be able to do the work quickly and efficiently. So it can reduce human errors. Furthermore, it will keep the safety of the employees safe at work. In the future, system will affect the growth in the number of people employed at one time. What do you think about this situation? In the future, autonomous system will affect the growth of number of people employed because where robots are increasing the efficiency to in many business, they are also increasing the unemployment rate. Because of robot, human labor is no longer required in many factories and industries. But the company still have to hire engineers, technicians, software developer, and designer to build autonomous systems.
In this survey, we have reviewed and gathered the opinion and response from people about the impact of autonomous system for the maritime industry, specifically for our group choice, which is naval-based industry. From the survey, we can conclude that the autonomous system is clearly giving benefit to the industry because all the process and management will be more effective and efficient if the process is handled by the autonomous system. All the small problems that can occur if using the manual system can be overcome by using the autonomous system. As we know, our work has reached the new generation of information technology. The system and robot has become part of the management process in the industry. This will be the starting point for the players of the maritime industry to implement the autonomous system to adapt with Industry 4.0 and compete in the business world. We know that the autonomous system will clearly increase the effectiveness of the management. However, it will be a huge challenge for humans to compete with the robot and machine in order to get a job. Finally, we can conclude that the autonomous system can give advantage and disadvantage to the maritime industry in certain parts and certain areas.